So it seems like Google is finally opening an office in Pakistan, and that's obviously big news because for a country where 2/3 of us are under the age of 30, it's worth understanding what actually just landed in Pakistan. Now, during the opening ceremony on the 18th of August, standing alongside Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Google's Vice President for Government Affairs and Public Policy, Wilson White, said Pakistan's ambition to be a $30 billion IT export hub lines with Google's own goals, and that the company has already contributed over 3.9 trillion rupees of economic activity in Pakistan over 10 years and supported more than 960,000 jobs. Now, that's Google's own estimate. Officially in Pakistan, our IT exports hit a record of $4.6 billion last fiscal year, up 21%, now making up nearly 46% of all our service exports. Now, here's how Google has already been making a mark in Pakistan. Last November, Google, Tech Valley, Allied, and the NRTC opened Pakistan's first Chromebook assembly line in Haripur, targeting 500,000 units. The IT minister said that one line created 600 jobs with the plan to export made in Pakistan Chromebooks across the region, reportedly with strong participation from women engineers. Then on the skills side, Google has scaled to 350,000 career certificate scholarships, with 150,000 more added this year in AI, data analytics, cybersecurity, project management, and e-commerce, all delivered online. Wilson White says that over 1 million Pakistanis have already been upskilled so far, and Gemini, which is Google's AI assistant, will be free for a full year for every student in Pakistan. It's worth thinking about what all of that really means. An affordable laptop assembled here in Pakistan, a credential from Google which any employer in the world will recognize even if they've never heard of your university. And AI tools that until recently cost more per month than most students can actually spend on food. Then let's talk about the potential. Around 81% of Pakistan has mobile broadband coverage, but close to 40% of users still aren't actively online. That gap is the opportunity, and it's ours as much as Google's. Which brings me to the question of what else becomes possible for Pakistan. It helps to take a look at what Google's presence in other countries has done for them. For example, in Africa, Google funded and laid the Equiano subsea cable, projected to cut internet prices by around 21%. In India, Google invested $15 billion into an AI hub, which led to gigawatt-scale computing, a new subsea cable gateway, expanded fiber, which state officials estimate will create 188,000 jobs. Both started roughly where we are right now: offices, skill building, local partners, and then laying infrastructure. And maybe that also means that not everyone with talent and high credentials has to leave Pakistan to work with big tech companies, because those companies are coming here. Pakistan already has one of the world's largest freelance workforces, and that only holds if the internet holds. Right now, only about 18% of our mobile sites are fiber connected, and the government's target is roughly 60% within the next 3 years. And maybe Google can help with that, or maybe just its presence can attract other tech companies. So in summary, Google's arrival in Pakistan is a great feat, but now it's up to us to turn that into companies, businesses, and exports to hit that $30 billion IT export target.